Are you looking for that crispy, delicious, well fried fish? Oh my goodness, you are at the right place. And today we will be frying round scarred fish. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. If you're interested with simple and easy recipes, then please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. So I have the fish here. Okay, I'll just scrape off the scale and then we proceed. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for your time. I'm so grateful and I don't take you for granted. Okay, please do well to share our videos, leave your comments in the comment section, and then if you have any question, let me know. I'll be very grateful if you share with me how you fry your fish as well in the comment section, so I learn from you, because we all learn every day and we are learning from each other. Thank you so much. So now that I'm done, I'll just go ahead and then cut them into the sizes that I want. You can as well fry this whole or divide it into two and you are good to go. So with this, I divided it into 5 and I'm going to repeat the same process till I am done with all the fish. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Kindly follow us everywhere for more videos. On TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, we share short videos that are less than a minute or a minute video. And trust me, you will love them. So follow us for more videos. This was also divided into 5 and we will proceed. Now that we are done cutting them, I'll just go ahead and then remove the intestine. It is very easy to remove the intestine if you cut it. Okay, yes, you can as well cut the fins and then the tail, any part that you think you want to discard, and you can remove the grills or just let it be, but I am going to remove it, so just do it according to how you want it. Okay, but I will remove everything before we proceed to the next step. If you've watched me to this point, I believe you like the video. Can you please like it for me? It is absolutely free if you do that. So kindly like it and remember to leave me your comment in the comment section. You can use your scissors to cut it, or you can just go ahead and then use your knife to cut it just like this, and you are perfectly okay or ready to go. Okay, so I'll repeat the process or remove everything till we proceed. We have second channel, and with that, the recipe, we share it in 3 language. Kindly subscribe to that channel. The name is Recipe Goddess, so subscribe to that channel. The link will be in the description, or I will pin the comment in the comment section so that you can click on it and then subscribe to that channel. Now we are done with everything. I washed it very well with lemon juice. With this particular fish, if you wash it without lemon juice, you can still eat it. Okay, because trust me, every fish is fishy, but some of the fishes, they are very, very fishy, especially when it comes to red snappers and then tilapia. But with this, you can just wash it very well without the lemon juice and it is okay. You can still enjoy it. So I washed it with lemon juice very well, and now I've added salt to it. I washed it about 3 times and now it is in the salt water, and I will just allow it to be in there for about 10 minutes or 5 minutes, and then we are good to go. So we are just going to wait and I will get back to you shortly. Thank you so much. Now the fish has been in there for a longer time, so I'm just going to strain it and then allow it to be in the colander. Okay, so whilst we are doing that, I have my oil here. It is heating up and we are just going to wait for it and then we start frying. So our fish is ready. Now we are going to coat our fish with some flour. Okay, yes, so when you coat it with the flour, you just drop it in the oil and then you start frying. That is what we are doing now. I can see that the oil was not very hot. Okay, I think that is far better than being very hot before you drop the fish. If you do that, sometimes if you are not very careful, the inside may not cook very well, but the outer part will look very crispy. So it is better, it is not very hot than being very hot before you drop the fish. But always make sure it is hot before you drop it. Okay, yes, so now we have everything in the oil, and after some few minutes, this is how it looks. Just look at that, absolutely delicious already. I will just go ahead and then flip it to the other side so that the other side can also fry very well. We will continue with the flipping and check on it till everything is done. At this moment, your fish is ready depending on how you want it. Okay, it should be ready for some people, especially those who want it soft. Okay, it is ready, but to me it is not ready for me. I want my fish very dry. So this is how I want my fish, and I am just going to remove everything from the oil now because it is ready. Just look at that, absolutely crispy, well fried, and we paired this with some kinky and it was so good. Thank you so much for watching me from the beginning till this time. I am so grateful, and you can't afford to miss the next upload. So I come your way next time. Thank you. Bye bye.